Hey everyone, how's it going? Dynasty here. Just wanted to do a quick intro video for the Tentacle series that's based off of the Empire Challenge that we had going a few months back. The end result is this tentacle in Substance Painter. It's a 9-video series. Each video is 2 hours long. It's completely uncut, which is why they're so long. So you'll see from beginning to end, including all of the issues that we run into and all of the learnings that we make, especially in Substance Painter. There's a ton that I end up learning in Substance Painter. Just some side notes for these videos is Blender is where we start. I think at the time it was Blender 2.81, so the sculpting wasn't nearly where it's at now. Now I think I could probably just stay in Blender. I don't necessarily need to go to Zbrush to get this look. When we get into Substance Painter, we texture it, like if I switch to just the base color, you can see we end up texturing it almost completely with a painted style in mind. And that was quite a challenge for me. So being the first time I had done that, it was actually pretty fun. And there's a lot of things that we ended up learning together in Substance Painter. A majority of the sculpting takes place inside of Zbrush, and then we bake it down using a Lowpoly built in Zbrush, baked in Substance Painter, and then textured in Substance Painter, with the presentation end result being a screenshot from Substance Painter. Anyways, hope you like the series. I'll be releasing a video each week, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully this is helpful to you guys. I will talk to you guys later. Cheers.